Everyone is saying AI can build you a dropshipping business overnight. No experience, no inventory, no money. Just AI does it for you. So I decided to actually find out if that's true. I gave myself 7 days, starting from zero, using only free AI tools and a budget of less than $10. By the end of day 7, something happened, and I'm going to show you exactly what, step by step, so you can copy it. Here's why most people fail at this before they even start. They watch a 10-minute YouTube video, get excited, open Shopify, have no idea what they're doing, and quit by day 2. The real problem isn't dropshipping. It's having no plan. So I built one. 3 simple phases, 7 days, and I'm going to walk you through every single one. Let's go. Step 1, day 1 and 2. Pick the niche. First thing I did was open ChatGPT and ask it to give me 10 dropshipping niches with high demand and low competition. Now, most people would just pick whatever looks exciting. That's the broke mindset. The smart move is to pick a niche that solves a specific problem for a specific person. I compared 3 options, and I landed on home fitness equipment. Why? The market's huge, the products are easy to ship, and people are always looking to save money versus a gym membership. Niche locked. That's phase 1 done. But here's where it gets interesting, because now I needed to build the actual store, and I'd never built one before in my life. Step 2, day 2 and 3. Build the store with AI. I used an AI store builder to generate the entire site. Homepage, product pages, about page, even the policy pages. 11 minutes. That's how long it took. Now, I'm not going to lie. The first version wasn't perfect. The color scheme was a bit off. Some of the product descriptions were too generic, so I went back into ChatGPT and rewrote the descriptions myself, using AI prompts to sound more persuasive, more specific, more human, and suddenly the store looked like something I'd actually buy from. But a good-looking store means nothing without one thing, and that was my biggest problem on day 3. I had a store, but 0 products people actually wanted to buy. Step 3, day 4, find winning products. I used a free AI product research tool to analyze what was already selling, not what I thought would sell, what the data said people were already buying. That's the difference between guessing and knowing. I added 3 products to the store, and here's something I want you to remember. Only one of them ended up making a sale. I'll tell you which one at the end. Now, I had a store, I had products, but I had no traffic, no customers, nobody knew I existed. Day 5, still 0 sales, and honestly, I nearly quit. Yet traffic for free paid ads were off the table. I had no budget left, so I used AI to write short-form content, product hooks, captions, video scripts, and posted them across TikTok and Instagram. I also sent 10 personalized DMs to small fitness influencers, not asking them to promote it, just asking if they wanted a free product in exchange for an honest post. 2 said yes. That's it. That's the whole marketing strategy. No ad spend, no agency, just AI written content and 2 micro-influencers. Day 7, I opened the Shopify dashboard. 2 orders, total revenue, £74. Domain, £31. Profit, £43. Now, is that life-changing money? No, but here's what it proved. AI can build you a real, functioning business in 7 days with almost no budget. The only thing it can't do is take action for you. If you want to see me do this again, this time with a proper £100 budget and paid ads, comment round 2 below and I'll make it happen. And if you want to learn how to turn small income like this into real long-term wealth, I've got a video right up here that breaks it all down. Make sure you subscribe because we're just getting started.